Around here was your entry. It never went red. Not ever. The whole trade. Not one time would that trade have gone red to you, right? Never. Ever all day. Did it ever break VWAP?
Nope.
Nope. Look at your trading view indicator. It sure the hell never told you to get out. So, right. And if you guys like, oh, I got out down here. If you guys were panicking over here when you bought over here, we need to talk again, right? Look how far away you are from VWAP too. Oh, coach, I got stopped out. Why? Don't know. Still don't know why you guys are getting stopped out, right? We don't get stopped out in here anyways. Worst case, you would have shaved and you would have collected 50, right? That ain't a stop out because then there's 50%. But you guys know I've been telling you that every day, all day. As a professional trader, we take advantage of these spots where traders are running, right? They run scared and we buy in. So these breathe backs are great opportunities to add, right? And then if it doesn't go our way, we can still get out, right? So
Yeah,
that's
no, that was
yeah.
that was different. That was way different.
Yeah, that's beautiful. You're right. And because think about it, because you were so far in the money, you were so far in the green, you could make other decisions without panicking. And that's what's cool about this, right?
Yeah,
That's
no,
really cool.
that was awesome.
Yeah, I love that. I mean, listen, when you get really ridiculous, and I don't want to confuse anybody, but this is how nutty it can get, right? Say you bought a bunch here. It does this, it comes down, you're comfortable. Let's say you collected your 50% here, right? And then it comes down and it pulls back and you see it move up. You're still in these puts. And then I can get in these calls with the other 50%. And then I can take the money out and then I can go, hey, I'm going to add more puts. Like there's so much you can do because you've already
Yeah,
collected. You've already taken the 50% of money. And now you're letting this one ride while doing other things with the other money, right? Spy, because they've already crippled it so much in the pre-market. Typically it'll drive up, then it'll bounce back before it makes a new leg. But we'll see. We'll see. So right here, on your screens, you're going to mark this up here. This is going to be a gold critical level. See it? This was yesterday's pre-market low. All right, here we go. Mapping out from previous day or previous days. Okay, so this one's squirrely again. So we're going to do the same thing on SPY. SPY to the upside above 444. SPY to the downside is going to be below 442.50. And again, this could break before we even get there with the bell because this market is so collapsed right now. All right, you guys can see right here. Look at Netflix. Look at this double bottom bounce from the day before to the day here. Guess what? Gold level. So right here, to get any traction on Netflix, I like it right here at 442.29. It's a little above what it was here, but I need a bigger range of movement. To the downside is going to be below 440. See it? Which again, it could break before the bell because the whole market's crashing. By the way, if you guys are able to short, you know what to do. You can see everything is falling. Now look at Apple is down almost 4% again this morning. That's what the entire yesterday did. You guys, that's 8%. 8% in 2 days for Apple. It's one of its worst situations it's ever had, just so you guys know. Right here, key critical level, you can see bounce, 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 gold. So Apple to the upside is going to be above 178.50. To the downside is going to be below 175.35. And again, VIP members and everybody else, you should know if you are starting to look at this for the day, if Apple's your jam, you should already be mapping out and charting every single critical level throughout the day, right?